Hello everybody, welcome to Global Cajon. In this chapter we are going to talk about alegrías, which is a beautiful style in flamenco. Enjoy!
Que todo lo destruye, haya matado mi vieja ilusión, guardo escondida una esperanza humilde, que es toda la fortuna de mi corazón. Volver con la frente marchita, las nieves del tiempo platearon mis pies. Sentí que es un soplo la vida, que 20 años no es nada, que febril la mirada errante en la sombra te busca y te nota, y con el alma cerrada a un dulce recuerdo que lloro otra vez.
The alegría is a palo that, as well as the soleá, has the same structure as the bulerías. It's a 12-beat pattern where the accents go, as in the bulería, as follows. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The big difference with bulería, besides harmonic considerations, is tempo. Alegría is played at much slower tempo than bulería. Okay, we have here, we could say this is like a clock with 12 points, 12 beats. The strawberries are the strong beats, and the yellow dots are the weak beats of the pattern. Okay? Let's sing how the music works with this setting before talking about the numbers. So, 1, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 1. Okay? The strawberries are the strong beats. What happens here? This is a 1, but it says 2. Why? Because that's the confusing part in the flamenco way of counting. They use a type of pickup. They say 1, 2. But the 2 is the 1. So it would go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Okay? Now I'm going to explain how this would work with the academical way of counting. But important, the strawberries don't change, which means the music is exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the way of counting. Let's see it. Okay, now we are in the same setting, but the only thing that has changed are the numbers. Now we can see in the academical way of counting how the beginning of the bar, the 1, is called 1. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. Okay? Now the strong beats are called 1, 4, 8, 9, and 11. And the 11th is where the landmark we talked about, the place where most of the closings or cierres go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, bam! 1, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see an example where we count a few bars of the alegría pattern in the flamenco way of counting, then a few bars in the more academical 12/8 way of counting, and at last a few bars of counting in 3/4, 2 bars of 3/4. Okay, let's listen to it.
Yo adivino el parpadeo de las luces que a lo lejos van marcando mi retorno. Son las mismas que alumbraron con sus pálidos reflejos hondas horas de dolor. Y aunque no quise el regreso, siempre se vuelve al primer amor. La vieja calle donde el eco dijo, tuya es su vida, tuyo es su querer. Bajo el burlón mirando las estrellas que con indiferencia hoy me ven volver.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in alegrías, the cierre is, as well as in bulerías, in the 11th, 8th note of the 12/8 bar, or in the flamenco slang, in the 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see an example. 3. Now let's see a few cierres or closings in alegrías that are a little bit more complex. 3. Now we are going to see that in a more jazzy and open environment, alegrías are not played in exactly one of the patterns or the other, you know. It's more a blend of many, or you are using a pattern in a section and another pattern in another section. But the skeleton, the internal core of the alegría stays always the same. In this chapter, we learned that alegrías have exactly the same skeleton as bulería, also have the same type of cierre and the same landmark to do the closings. The difference come basically from the harmonies and the tempo. Well, I hope you liked this chapter. You can find many other chapters in my YouTube channel. Also in my website and Facebook, you can find the index to all the other chapters. Keep posted. Adiós.